Uh, Please tell me about yourself.
So, sir, my name is Rajat. I belong to Dharamshala, Himachal Pradesh. I have completing my 10th and 12th there from the Army Public School Dakshai, which is there in Himachal Pradesh. And further, I've completed my undergraduation there from Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Hinjeri. And I'm pursuing my AMCOM also there from the same college, which is Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Hinjeri. And further came to my hobbies, sir. My hobbies is wood crafting, horse riding. I'm really into the sports biking thing, and along with that I also do the software. So
Good. So you are an MCOM graduate. Now,
yes,
you're studying MCOM second year.
yes sir,
Good.
second year.
Acha, acha. BCom, what was the main subjects you studied?
So it was a finance.
It was finance. Acha, acha. Good.
Yes sir.
Now, under MCOM, what are the main subjects they are teaching you?
Sir, right now my profession is banking.
Oh, acha. Preference
Yes,
is banking.
yes sir.
Acha, then that means you can answer my questions very well. Now, tell me
I
what
will
is
try, sir.
banking? What is banking?
So banking refers to an industry which certainly deals with accepting the deposits and granting the advances, sir. It is an organization which deals with the banks, and banks are the act as a money pool table which accept the deposits from the people who want to save the money, and a grant to the people who want to take the money, and based on that they charge the interest and generate the money, sir. This process comes under the banking.
But itna bada nahi chahiye. First half of the answer is sufficient
Okay, sir.
because the total interview is going to be 10 to 15 minutes and you
Mhm.
can't be talking this much length answers.
Okay, sir.
But now, can you please tell me
Mhm.
what are the sources of income for the banks?
Okay, sir. So the bank charges for the wealth management thing. The second one is they charge for the annual percentage rate, which they charge for their services. Third one is locker, sir. Fourth one comes from the interest rate which they provide. Fifth one comes from their utility services, and they also charge for the ATM services.
Mm.
Yes, sir.
Did you
These are the.
did you mention about say the investment in government securities, shares and debentures? No,
No, sir. I
they
didn't mention that.
they do invest in government securities, so they get interest on that. They do
Oh,
invest in shares, so they get dividends out of that. And any
mhm.
increase in the cost of the um, shares, that also
Okay,
comes
sir.
to them. Okay, good,
Okay, sir.
very good. You are a banking student, so that may
Yes, sir.
you must be able to tell me all the questions, answers very nicely.
I will try, sir.
Are you seeing the screen? Are you scene is visible for you? No,
Yeah, so I'm able to just see your photo there only, sir.
photo only. So you are not seeing other things. Good. Now, please tell me what are your strengths?
Okay, so now coming to my sensor. So I'm good at handling the pressure because I have cracked the CDS exam, which is being conducted by UPSC. So I know how to compress our feelings so 8 hours and study there. So I know how to handle the stress. Second comes my under my sensor that I'm really good at organizing events. I've conducted many events such as NCC. My represented my corps into the various battalions. Third one is, so I know how to deal with the clients because I work for the two magazines, which are Yagwani and Ashmika, which are being connected with the UNICEF. And fourth one is I really know how to handle a failure because a lot of things just came in background with me. So these are things there with me, sir.
Very good, very good. Nice. What is your full name?
So my full name is Rajat Rana, sir.
Rajat Rana. Are
Yes,
there
sir.
any famous people with this name, Rajat?
Yes, sir. There is a very famous anchor. His name is Ray Sharma, but surname is being taken from there. He's a very famous news anchor.
Oh, good. Rana. Rana means are you from Rajasthan?
No, no, sir. I'm there from the Himachal Pradesh, but my backgrounds came from the Rajasthan only because Rana is a class of the warriors. who realized there in the Rajasthan, particularly from the beginning.
Oh, good. Excellent. Son, that is why you were interested in CDS also. You were interested in joining army?
No, sir, I was certainly interested, but because I've cracked the exam,
Mm.
I'm also being selected for the lieutenant post. But certainly, what happened? There's a issue in my medical, so that's why they said you can't run for 24 kilometers with a 10 kilometer with 10 kilos of weight on your body. So you can't be fitted in the army. So that
Oh,
thing is that door is being closed for me. So now there is a banking.
very sad. Now, please tell me, what is your
Okay, sir.
father?
So my father is there in the armed forces. He's serving there in the army.
Acha, what is he?
Yes, sir. So he's a junior commission officer, JCO.
JCO. What are the, in what rank is he there? What is the lowest rank, or in which rank did he join?
Okay, sir. So he joined as a Sipahi.
Then about that,
Then he just work hard and he just from being promoted to the Subeda.
then after Subedar,
Okay, so you are asking the series. So first Sipahi, then is
hierarchy.
less Nayak.
Uh,
Okay, then is Nayak, then is Havaldar, then is Nai Subedar, then Subedar, then Lieutenant Major,
mhm.
Captain Major, Colonel, then Brigadier, then Lieutenant General and General. And then come the
So,
CDS.
so who is the chief of army staff now?
So right now the Chief of Army Staff is Lieutenant General Anil.
No, you are telling CDS. I am asking.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I never asked chief of defense staff. I asked the army.
Okay, Army Staff. Oh, sorry. For Army, it is Lieutenant General Manoj Pandey, sir.
Good. And CDS, who is that? Anil
CDS is
Chauhan.
Lieutenant General Anil.
Anil Chauhan. Good.
Anil,
Very good.
yes, sir.
Very good. You told correctly. Now, what is your mother? Is she working?
Yes, sir. She's a homemaker.
Good. How many siblings do you have?
Sir, I have a younger sibling. He's also pursuing his BCom from Chandigarh University.
Oh, good. You're also in Chandigarh University? No.
So I'm not there in Chandigarh University. I'm there in Chandigarh Group of Colleges, but it's a part of the Chandigarh University.
Oh, very good. But that means you're now living in Himachal Pradesh, na?
No, no, sir. Right now I'm residing there in
Punjab.
Chandigarh only with my family.
Oh, very good, very good. Himachal Pradesh, when is the next assembly election due?
So it is about to be conducted, sir. Exact date I don't know.
Exact date, you don't know. Doesn't matter. Good. What do you think is the job role of a bank officer?
Okay, sir. So the job which I'm applying for classifies responsibility into 5 parts. The first
Hmm.
one is I have to maintain the clean conversation which is being transferred from the higher management to the lower management
Hmm.
and see where there is a gap. And further, I have to provide the feedback.
Hmm.
Second one is I have to maintain a level of satisfaction among the customers and the employees by directly communicating to them and solving their problems.
Hmm.
Third one is, sir, I have to see the operation of an organization and provide my feedback and give the solutions.
Hmm.
Fourth one is, sir, I have to promote the product of my company and see its sales.
Hmm.
And fifth one is to see my financial operations and see where the data is leading and provide the proper leading.
Hmm.
Yes, sir, these are my responsibilities.
Hmm. So did you mention specifically about acquisition of custom business, like that? That word, it should be there, acquisition of new customers and new
Okay, sir.
business. That should be
Okay,
there
sir.
in your listing, apart from your other things. Very good. Nice. Tell me, what is IPO?
So IPO.
Hmm.
So IPO stand for the initial public offering. It in this what the so should I explain, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, so so the what that happened the when the company issue the shares to the public and they become start to a journey in which they transform from private company to public company. They offer its shares to the public. So that particular starting journey is known as initial public offering, sir.
Good. Can you tell something about SEZ?
So yeah, can you say it again, sir?
S for sugar, E for England, Z for Z.
SEZ,
Yes,
sir.
E.
Sorry, sir. I don't know, sir.
That's what I'm telling. S
Okay, sir.
for sugar, E for England, Z for Z. SEZ का expansion क्या है? What is
Sir, I don't.
SEZ?
I don't know, sir.
Special Economic Zone.
Okay, sir.
इसके बारे में पढ़ लीजिए. Then
Okay, sir.
have you heard of the abbreviation LAF?
LAM, sir.
LAF. L for
FAM.
London. L
Okay.
for London, A for Agra, F for Finland.
No, sir. I
L
haven't heard about.
लिक्विडिटी एडजस्टमेंट फैसिलिटी नोट कर लो, इसका बारे में पढ़ना है. ये सब
Liquidity.
तो आपको मटेरियल में दिया है.
Liquidity
I have
adjustment facility.
given you a bankers adda material.
Okay, sir.
Are you seeing on the screen now?
Yes, sir. I'm seeing. Okay, got it.
ये सब क्वेश्चंस दिया हुआ, आप क्यों नहीं पढ़ा है?
So I have gone for the other PDF in which the previous year questions are being asked. So I have gone for it, but I haven't seen this one.
ठीक है, कोई
But I
बात
will
नहीं,
surely go.
कोई बात नहीं. You can read it. Which date is your interview?
So on the 2nd.
अरे भाई समय नहीं है. 31 only, थोड़ा ज्यादा पढ़ना है आपने. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
One
Okay, sir.
minute. 1 minute. Let me check up. Somebody else has come. Manoj. Manoj, you are appearing for which interview?
Sir, RRBPO.
Very good. Okay, no problem. You can be observing because
Okay.
now there is no class today for RRB. Yeah, doesn't
Okay.
matter. Yeah, now I have, yeah. Next one is that, what is ECGC, Mr. Rajat? ये सबको पढ़ा है, नहीं पढ़ा है आपने?
No, sir. I haven't gone for it, sir.
ये सबको प्रिपेयर करना है. What is ECGC? Export Credit Guarantee Corporation. What is CASA? इसका बारे में पढ़ा है आपने? CASA.
Yes, sir. I have heard about the CASA, sir.
It's a very famous question. What is CASA?
Sir, CASA is a guideline which is being offered by the RBI that says if the public is not able to go through the.
हेलो, क्या हुआ? हेलो रजत, आर यू देयर? रजत 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 का इंटरनेट कट हो गया मेरे ख्याल से, बिकॉज इज इंटरनेट इज माइक इज नॉट मूविंग. रजत,
Yes.
रजत कट
Yes,
हो
sir.
गया. रजत कट हो गया, लाइन कट हो
No,
गया
no, sir.
मेरा. या कट हो गया. आपका आवाज ही नहीं आया ना?
Hello.
आपका आवाज ही नहीं आया अभी.
Okay.
Can you listen? Yeah. Now tell me CASA. CASA, you were telling a wrong answer. What is CASA?
Sir, CASA is something credit account and saving account. It is a term which is being used by the bank in which they get a low interest loan from the customers. This interest is lower than the current account and saving account, sir.
Rajat, so far you were telling very nicely, confidently. In this question, you are faltering. CASA ka explanation is current account and savings account.
Okay, sir.
And CASA ratio is current account and savings account divided by total deposits into 100. Banks are
Okay, sir.
keen
Done. I
about
will study this.
banks are keen about getting more of CASA ratio because in current account, they don't pay any interest. Savings account, they pay nominal interest, and Federal Bank pays an interest rate of 2.5% only in savings account. And the cost of funds is less, so the profit for the bank will be more. So more banks are very keen in having more of CASA deposits. Correct?
Okay, sir.
Very
Okay,
good.
sir. So, sir,
Acha,
the federal bank rate is 2.5%.
yeah, Federal Bank is now paying interest rate of 2.5% in savings account. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The maximum interest they are paying on
Okay,
some
sir.
deposits is 8% or so. You please go through their website and get to know it. Okay. Very good. And now
Okay, sir, done.
very good, very good. Which bank do you have an account? Excuse me,
So I have an account in my SBI account.
SBI, State Bank of India. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Now, please
Yes, sir.
tell me what are the functions of RBI?
Okay, sir. The function of the RBI are as follows. It is the banker to the government. Second one, it is being responsible for holding the custodian of the foreign reserve. Third one, it is also custodian of cash reserves also. It is the bank. It is the banker for last resort. It is a control of the credit.
No, but in the answers you give, you are not mentioned about bankers to government. That one you didn't tell. Then you didn't tell about monetary policy authority. That point you didn't tell. And
Okay.
foreign exchange, it is not a custodian. They are the holder of foreign exchange reserves. They hold the the foreign exchange transactions are regulated through Reserve Bank of India, and they hold foreign exchange reserves. And another one mistake you told, some other point you told. What are the point you said? One more mistake was there in what you were telling. And you did not mention about they are the note issuing authority. Oh, acha.
Okay, sir.
That is what you told as currency reserve, something you said. No, cash reserve. You said cash reserve. No, that is not the correct one. The correct explanation is they are the note issuing authorities. And since they are bankers to government, sorry, since they are bankers to bank, banks keep their cash reserve ratio funds with the RBI. That is a separate thing. That is not a function. That is one of the many things they do. Functions बोलने से खाली ये बोलना है bankers to bank, bankers to government, note issuing authority, foreign exchange control and monetary policy authority. समझ गया?
Okay, sir.
Good. Now please tell me what is NABARD? ये सब आपने
So
पढ़ा
the
नहीं पढ़ा है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I knew something about the NABARD. NABARD stands for the National Agriculture Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development.
Wrong.
National Bank for Agriculture.
National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Who is the
Yes, sir.
chairman of NABARD?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Govinda Rajulu Chintala. You must also know what is the functions of our NABARD. वो भी पढ़ लीजिए. Good. Now I'll go to easy question. What is KYC? How KYC formalities are completed by banks?
Okay, sir. So KYC stands for the Know Your Customer. The KYC can be completed by 6 terms in which you have to show your IDs. The first one is address proof. Second one, you can show your driver license. The third one is the PAN. Fourth one is your address proof. And other two I am missing, sir.
No, actually, you should say any one of the 6 documents, like
Okay, sir.
like passport, then driving license, passport, then PAN card, Aadhaar card, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee card, then voter ID card. Any one of these documents should be given, and there should be proof for address as well as identity proof. They say like this because PAN card cannot be used for opening of account because it doesn't have address proof. PAN card will not have address proof. That is why they say this. Understand? Good.
Okay, sir.
Next question, Rajat. Last question for you. What is plastic? Acha, acha. 2 more questions I will ask you. What
Okay,
is
sir.
plastic? What is plastic money? क्या हुआ?
Okay, sir. The plastic money stands for the. Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Okay, so the plastic money stands for the money which is there in form of the credit and debit cards. It is a money which is being easy to carry and being provided by banks. So amount of money is not needed to carry, and there is a much easy way to access the money.
For a question like this, what is plastic money? It is sufficient you say Plastic money is credit card and debit card. And prepaid card, if at all you want to
Okay,
say.
sir.
इतना बोलने से हो जाएगा. You don't have to say this is used to supplement that. ये सब जरूरत नहीं है. You are a commerce student. What is ratio analysis? Excuse
Okay, sir.
me.
So the ratio analysis refers. Yes, sir.
Tell me. There is some
Okay, sir.
internet problem. Cut होता है. बोलो.
Okay, sir. The ratio analysis refers to the analysis which is being done by the corporate organization to know what kind of performance is being achieved by them. There are various types of ratio analysis such as cash ratio, current ratio, cash depository ratio, fund ratio, shareholder equity ratio. So these are checked. These are being done or calculated to check the performance of an organization, so they can track their performance in according plan.
What is debt service coverage ratio?
So it is a ratio which tell us what is the percentage or what is the rate at which the company are able to recollect their amount which they have given.
Wrong. Debt service coverage ratio, your answer is wrong. 1 minute. Debt, are you seeing on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Is the screen visible for you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Debt service coverage ratio. Why is DSCR important? DSCR is commonly used metric when negotiating loan contracts between companies and banks. For instances, net operating income by annual debt obligations. This is the formula.
Okay, sir.
When we are giving money to a bank company, we will find out what is the net operating income they are getting divided by what is the annual debt obligation they have to create. Understand? So
Okay, sir. Okay, done.
इसका बारे में भी पढ़ लीजिए. And
okay, sir.
Yeah. What is a good debt service coverage ratio? 1.25. 1.25 is ideal. What is a good current ratio?
Sir,
Excuse me.
good. Yes, sir.
Current ratio, which is ideal current ratio?
So it's 2.1.
No, 1.33 is to 1. 2.1 means the company is having lot of liquid funds without using it. Okay. The ideal
Okay,
one
sir.
is 1.33 is to 1. Very good. Thank you so much. Your interview was good. You answered nicely, but sometimes, but
Okay,
one
sir.
thing again, you have a habit of telling, okay. Maybe for me, you are telling. In real interview, you should not use that mannerisms. समझ गया?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Again, you are telling okay.
Okay, sir. Sorry, that's a part of the.
Good. Very nice. Come on video once for half a minute. Come, I want to see you. You answered well. You will succeed provided you prepare for next 2 more days seriously. And come for 6 o'clock class tomorrow also. Yeah.
Okay,
Very
done, sir.
good. अरे भाई ये क्या हुआ? ये सब क्या है?
So basically, I'm facing the typhoid right now. That's why I'm full.
You are facing what?
Typhoid, sir.
Oh बाबा. Oh. Typhoid means अभी रोज fever आता है नहीं आता है?
Yes, sir. I'm facing fever right now also.
But God bless you. Blessings.
Okay.
You will succeed. You are answering very well. But थोड़ा और भी पढ़ना है. अच्छा.
I will go through the materials.
Yeah,
shared, sir.
especially the material I've given you. Please go through that.
Okay, sir.
Very nice. You seem to be very young. 18 years.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm 22 years old.
Good. You look very smart. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You will succeed. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Thank you. Bye. I'm closing this, Manoj.
Okay, sir. If you have to-
Yeah. It will
Sir,
be
I have
posted. It will be posted in our group, Telegram group. You are a member of our Telegram group, paid group.
Yes, sir.
It will be posted there. Yeah, tell me.
Okay, sir.
What do you want?
Sir, I have a query.
Hmm.
So what are the recommendation you can give to me which I have to follow other than the okay?
No, but थोड़ा preparation और भी चाहिए, like banking and all. थोड़ा commerce में थोड़ा और भी economics and all थोड़ा ज़्यादा पढ़ना है. And
Okay, sir.
you must know about your Himachal Pradesh and other things, because they can ask questions relating to your native place or about Punjab, whatever it is.
So the interview is more of a technical or of more of a personality view?
It is more of a personality. At the same time, we want people to be in a position to know everything. They will ask even Russia, Ukraine war, Sri Lanka problem, then China, Taiwan problem, then जो कुछ हो रहा है अभी इसका बारे में जरूर पूछेगा. अभी इंटरव्यू
Okay.
जाने से तो आपको ऋषि सुनक का बारे में पूछेगा.
Yes, sir.
आप प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए. थैंक यू. You
Okay,
did well.
thank you lot.
You did well.
Okay, sir.
You did well. I will give you 8.5 out of 10. But
Okay, thank you.
you must score 9.5. आपको बिफोर सेकेंड फीवर ठीक हो जाएगा, होना है.
Okay, sir.
आप you better take Dolo 650 tablets and all. Go confidently.
Okay, sir. I will, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye. Did a good job. Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.